in this video, let's learn how to activate the plugin, how to generate the API key. So once you log in on your Arendo account, you will have the orders and the products and the storefronts, and you choose storefronts because this is where you configure your storefront. And in this case, I have this icon here, which is a connector. I just click on top of it, and then there is this license that I have to copy. So let's copy the license and let's go to the WordPress website. And this is the WordPress website where I have activated the Arendo plugin. And so it's already activated, but if I see it's not correct, for example, just deleted a small detail here, and you will see that it deactivates. So it's not activated. This is what you're going to see when you log in first, not activated. And what you have to do is to just paste the code in here and save changes. And when you do this, your website must show it's activated in green. Yes, it's activated, and it is communicating with the back office or the storefront here with the Arendo. So it's being controlled by Arendo server from here. Okay.